Bwanyuma y'abakuru ku rwo mu Uganda Investments Authority akwikomo industrial package bashobirwe bwanyuma y'emyaka ena yona okuya mukuru w'ihanga gitongozaho mu butongore kungatinekera korirwo.
For us, we thought as politicians that something was going to happen, and we knew something was going to happen because the president had said it. But you can now see 4 years down the road, there's no difference between the national park and the industrial park. Actually, the industrial park is more of a national park than even the national park itself.
Cecilia Nakadama, or industrial manager mu kitongole kya Uganda Investment Authority, wanagira ngo abantu 17 bahirwe eitaka bana bamazire kubanira ribaihirweho.
Availed this land to about 17 investors so far, some of whom have started development, as we can see in my background, but also some who are actually our native investors that were recommended by the leadership of Kasese are the very people that have led to the downfall of this park for now.
Nakadama nayongera agira ngo abahire inshonga zabo zirukwereka abwinshi baremere kutandika ngo inshonga zabo zija kurwo bundu bakabasasira.
Where they have solid reasons for failure to commence a project and they communicated earlier, the authority is lenient to extend them some time. But if these are not met and without reasonable cause, then the offer is revoked and the land returns back to the authority and it is reallocated to other prospective investors.
Why I emphasize that this should be an actionable thing is when politics is at its apex, we receive very many delegates and delegations. For example, you saw the state projects like that of the airfield. We had a delegation of people who came and told us that they were coming to start constructing the airfield. Now 2 months ago, I'm not seeing them.
We are left with a few clearances by government. Once we sign the agreement with the government, for us we are ready. Like you heard from the team from UIA and finance, the funds are ready. It is just a matter of us concluding the government processes and they clear us as a developer, then we will be on ground. If they tell us to come tomorrow, for us we are ready as AXA Group.
Aisha Ariba ariyo mugambizi w'ekitongole ki unagira ngo bayire kureka industrial package yabe y'umurembe.
We intend to put up roads. We intend to ensure that the wastes produced by this industrial park are well managed. So there will be a waste management section. There will be a power station. We do not want this issue of all power is gone, it is fluctuating, the power is a bit dim, no.
Abebembezi n'abatura okurwo mu mwanya ogu nibajya industrial package yabatandikire kukora abanyarwanda bingi nibija kutunga emirimo. Gacha kwa Gilbert Mpanguzi.